With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that the genetically different pollen grain and stigma of the same species participate in which type of pollination. So pollination is a transfer of anther from the stigma of the one flower to the other. While it can be of three types, the first type is the autogamy. In case of autogamy, which is also called as self-pollination, the pollen grain and the stigma is that of the same flower. So that means it occurs in the same flower. So this is the plant. There are bisexual flowers here. So the pollination will take place within the same flower. Whereas in the second case, that is called as gitonogamy, the pollination takes place within the same plant but not within the same flower. So if this is the plant, the flowers here may be bisexual or unisexual. So in case it is unisexual flowers, then the pollination takes place from the pollen grain of a staminate flower to the pistillate flower, right? So this is called as gitonogamy. So in both the cases we see that the pollen grain is genetically same because it is of the same plant. So this is genetically also self-pollination. Now talking about the third type of it, which is called as xenogamy. Now this xenogamy is actually the cross-pollination which takes place between the flowers of two different plants of the same species. So let's depict this with the help of a schematic diagram. These are the two plants. Different plants are there. Flowers are there. These flowers are unisexual or they may be bisexual also. So from one plant, this pollen grain will be transferred to the stigma of the other flower. Since the plants are different, so the pollen grain are also genetically different. This results in genetically also we can call xenogamy as a cross-pollination. So the right answer here is the xenogamy. So option number 4 is the correct answer for this question. So we can mark this as the correct answer. While when we talk about cleistogamy, that means it is the flower is in the bud stage. So this is a type of a flower which never opens. So it has to undergo self-pollination always between the anther and stigma of the same flower because there will be no opening of the bud, right? So we can mark 1, 2 and 3 as a wrong answer, while the only right option here is option number 4. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.